DJM TV.
What has happened these few weeks is a lesson for Nigeria, for us to sit back and don't underrate this youth. Because a hungry man is an angry man. Is that not correct? A hungry man is an angry man. If you watch in Lekki, when the guy was shot, to tell you the seriousness of that protest, a medical doctor was doing surgery there to remove the bullet. So it was not a protest by people who don't have head. It was a protest by people who are graduates, who are quite intelligent, who are professionals, that look, who have suffered enough. When will our own hope come? When will our own future come? That was what they were pushing for. But what happened among the youths, don't take it for a joke. It's a signal. It's a warning to Nigerians. Enough is enough. Forget that the hoodlums hijacked it to cause this mayhem. But if I was the government, this is the time for me to sit back now and say, look, what do we do? We are sitting on a cake of gunpowder. What do we do? These youths are getting more restless. And why are they restless? They have gone to school. Their parents have spent money on them. They don't have a job. Time will come. You cannot bring out all the armor tanks. How many people can you kill? How many can you kill? If you kill all of them, then there will not be a country. So it is an opportunity for the government of Nigeria to sit down and say, what do we have? What can we do to reduce the level of unemployment in Nigeria? Forget the statistics. That's why I sat back and said, look, there's a danger. That's why I said, okay. The ESCO said, okay, look, let's take a step by employing 5,000 youths into the civil service. At least it is not a temporary job. It's a permanent job. It's a pensionable job. At least to cushion.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV.